Let's look at case and with. We're going to use with and case in this class. What we are going to do, there are some customers that patronize Northwind company once. Some have patronized them twice. Some have even done business with them, say, more than 3 times. So we're going to put any customer that have done business once, we just write, has done business with us once. Anyone that has done business twice, we specify. Thrice, we specify. But if it's more than 3 times, we say what? It's a dedicated customer. Or we say what? It's a loyal customer. So let's start. We need few columns. The first column we need now, we're going to keep is, we're going to say select customer ID. We need to count the rows from others. If I run this, it can't go because this customer ID is coming from others table. Okay, let me check others. You find that this customer ID. So we want to count like this. How many times it has done business? Count it. This one, how many times we count it? That's what we want to do here. Okay. But we want to make sure that this table, the customer ID here, is also what? This column, whatever that is here, is also what? In customer table. So we're going to come here to say, in a join with what? Customers. It's because we know that this customer ID in customers is the same thing with this one. The name is the same. We just pick it to say what? Using, remember I've treated this customer ID. Then because of this count, we need to use what? Group by. Group by what? Group by customer ID. Let's run this. This is very cool. But what we are going to do now, we have the first result. This time, this guy only has done business with us once. These 2 guys, twice. These ones, 3 times. All these other ones are all dedicated customers. That is what we want to use case to achieve, to describe this one in a 3rd column. How are we going to do that? To do that, we are going to keep this one somewhere so that we can refer to it later. Let's keep it with whatever you want to put here. Wait, let's say wait for us. Wait for us. I'm just doing this as this. Wait for us is this. Okay, you can put anything here. Then we continue to select. What do we want now? What do we want to appear? I want this one to appear still. So I will say select. This count, we have counted this particular count. I want it here. But the only way to bring it easily, just let me say numbers of orders. They have order. That is the meaning, right? Okay. I will copy this now as the alliance represented this guy. I also need these 2 columns. The 3rd column I need is a column that will be describing what is going on here. If it's twice, I say twice. If it's 3 times, I say thrice. More than 3, I say you are dedicated or you are a loyal customer. So what I will do now, okay, I will say the 3rd column will not be case because I want to make it conditional. Case, remember we are describing this column, this one. Talking about this one, I want to describe this. Case this guy. When it is 1, that is, when it is just 1 like this, then let us know that what has done business with us once. Okay. When it is 2, then you write for us has done business with us twice. When it is 3, thrice. If none of this is correct, call him what? A loyal customer. Or you say dedicated customer. And If you are heading it, if you leave it like this, you can choose anything for the header. This one is different header. What do you want to be here? The name you want to be here. Kind of customer. But where do I want to get all this information? 1, 2, 3, which is already here. Counted. Remember, it is waiting somewhere here for us, which is here. So I'm going to say pick from this place order, which is what? With the width. It's telling me I don't know about this. This one should be here. Is what? Representing this guy. So let's run it again. Good. We have this. Has done business once, twice, thrice. From here, dedicated customers. But I can't be clicking like this. It's not professional. Let me do here. Order by customer ID. Or best is to order by the count, number of count. The best so that we can see what is going on. Like those that have done it once, we know it's once, we know it's twice, thrice, dedicated what? Customers. Hope this was well explained and you understand the purpose of each of the query and the statement with the width and the case and the feed and these names. Thank you for viewing.